Before you start these exercises, make sure your workspace is clear, and please read the disclaimer on the Actif North Wales website. I'm going to take you through a seated self-massage. This session is perfect for taking 5 minutes out, especially after an important meeting. We're going to gently apply some pressure on our face, which is good for releasing tension and helping calm our mind. Let's start. So we're going to gently place our hands on our knees. Just relax the body, sitting deep into your chair. We're going to place our fingers onto the bridge of our nose. I'm going to follow the eyebrows towards your ears. So nice and slowly, apply that gentle pressure. And we'll go from the nose to the ears. So nice normal breathing. Feel those fingers on the skin. We're going to bring our fingers to the nostrils. Follow your cheekbones nice and slowly towards the ears. Again, feel the skin under your fingers. My fingers are a bit chilly, but it's actually quite nice on the face. If at any point you wish to relax your hands down, sometimes you may feel it in the shoulders, please do it and join in when you're ready. Just do one more, nice and slowly. I'm going to pinch your earlobes. So, thumb and finger, just nice gentle pinches, and release, and just repeat again. Again, if you're feeling those shoulders, relax your hands on your knees, keep your eyes closed, and just join back in when you're ready. Can you twiddle your toes in your shoes? Last one, just pinch those ears. You're going to open your hands. Start from the top of your head, the way your hairline starts. That gentle pressure all the way down to the chin. Again, nice and slowly. So really concentrate on those fingertips. What can you feel underneath them? Are your hands a bit warm, or are they cold like mine? If you want to take your hands down further than your chin, you can. So down to the neck, and then back to the top when you're ready. Just take your time. Nice deep breaths. Do one more. And place your hands on your knees. Just take a minute Eyes are closed, shoulders relaxed and down. No tension in your hands or your elbows. And just think about your breath. So when you open your eyes when you're ready, I want you to rub your knees with both hands. Your left hand on right shoulder, just rub the shoulder. And then change over. So just slowly waking the body up. Can we do both together? And place your hands back down on your knees. Can you tap them? And then tap your toes. We do both together. Just take a big stretch, or however big you want to take your stretch. And hopefully you feel more relaxed and ready to take on the rest of the day.